Okay, dude, no. When shit got real between you and your brother was at Dylan Thalman's birthday party. Dude, that has been one of the most real fights I've ever seen the two of you participate in. Like maybe 7 boys over to sleep over at his place for like, dude, we were 9 years old, like the 9th birthday party. It's 2 in the morning and we decide to get ourselves into a pillow fight. And I bring out the slightly deflated yoga ball.
No, pretty deflated. It was like a blackjack.
Yeah. It was just a giant rubber club. Like, it was pretty brutal. And then you and your brother seclude yourselves on this bed. Dude, there's no defense. It's literally a slugfest. You guys are taking turns like whapping each other in the face. And then eventually, you guys drop the pillows, start punching the shit out of each other. Dude, and then who gets thrown?
Exactly. Gets thrown.
Alright, and next thing, dude, well, and all of us have stopped, like, pillow fighting, because we are witnessing the carnage. Like, oh, this is hardcore. Next thing I know, they're like bouncing on this bed. You know how you can double jump someone on a trampoline? Dylan times it perfectly, grabs Parker by the shirt, arcs him over his head first into rotating ceiling fan and busts the whole thing off of the damn ceiling. The only source of light in a room. So a massive crash. Dude, we open the door to let some light in, and we hear from upstairs, what the fuck? And stomping, we're like, oh shit, oh my god, what do we do with this fan? What do we do? Parker, are you alive? Sleep. But then like everyone and they come into the dark room. The parent was like, what is going on here? No response from anyone. Like, just, all right, just knock it off. Goes back to bed and we were like, oh my god, that was crazy. Okay.
Dylan wins this round.